Thank you for tuning in to the Brach Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we'll discuss an article from Brach Eichler's March 2026 Healthcare Law Update newsletter titled Waivers for Telemedicine Prescribing of Controlled Substances Expire. Beginning February 16, 2026, all New Jersey licensed providers are required to conduct an in-person physical examination prior to prescribing Schedule II controlled dangerous substances to patients with limited exceptions. This comes as a result of then-Governor Phil Murphy signing Executive Order 415, which terminated the COVID-19 state of emergency in New Jersey, and with it, waivers that permitted the prescribing of Schedule II controlled dangerous substances via telemedicine without an in-person physical examination. Providers may still prescribe such substances via telemedicine, but may only do so after an initial in-person examination, and there must be subsequent in-person visits with the patient every 3 months that the patient is being treated with the Schedule II controlled dangerous substance. Notably, when prescribing stimulants to minor patients under the age of 18, such as those used to treat ADHD, an in-person examination is not required if the provider is using interactive, real-time, two-way audio and video technologies, and the provider obtains a written consent for the waiver of in-person requirements from the minor's parent or guardian. For more information, contact Caroline J. Patterson, Member and Vice Chair, Healthcare Law at 973-364-5233, or C. Patterson at bracheichler.com, or Edward J. Yun, Member, Healthcare Law at 973-364-5229, or E. Yun at bracheichler.com, or Andrew M. Cooter, Associate Healthcare Law at 973-403-3141, or A. Cooter at bracheichler.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for updates on new episodes. For more information and resources, visit bracheichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brach Eichler LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax and cannabis law.